A looming question for people is what will happen or what is happening in the Calgary real estate market while the oil markets are experiencing difficulties. The first point of reference I'd like to draw on is Calgary real estate sales between November 1st, 2008 to March 31st, 2009. Why that segment of time? Because it is in that segment of time that the global markets experienced a significant crash and real estate sales were very challenged. How challenged? Well, let's look at the stats. So what I think is important to consider when we look at this activity is that in 2008 and 2009, when the world markets were most challenged, and real estate sales in Calgary were most challenged, probably the most we've seen in the last 15 years, there was still 5,063 sales. And although that was significantly down from the previous year, and we did see it bounce back up pretty quickly the following year, the bottom line is that homes in Calgary were selling through that time, and we can estimate that homes in Calgary will be selling over the next few months. So we have buyers, we have sellers, and this is the remark we're going to hear on both sides of the fence. Let's wait and see. When there is challenging market conditions, people have a tendency to want to sit back and wait and see what happens. We are going to see some buyers just make a decision that they're going to wait and see what happens. And equally, there's going to be sellers on the other side who say, let's wait and see. Now these buyers will make purchases in the next few months, and they represent those potentially few thousand sales that we'll see before March 31st. The question is, which properties are going to connect and be the ones that sell? I will answer that by suggesting that in order to sell in the current marketplace, it's going to be as important as ever to be priced fair to the market. My very basic analogy is that as you decide to price up, you are also making interest in the property cold. As the price goes higher, you're going to be finding yourself in the cool zone. If you want to be one of the few thousand homes that sells over the next few months, you have to be positioning yourself in the best place in the market relative to the current inventory and adjusting to market appetite. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them here. Otherwise, thank you for watching.